what, as an Ashtanga student, do I stand to gain from studying the Hatha Yoga Pradipika? And so it's a map that you turn to better understand the methodology of Ashtanga, so better understand what you're doing, and then also to get ideas for growing and evolving your practice, and especially how to individualize your practice in order to move further into it. You want to learn to formally think of your practice in these language of prana. And by practicing, you're already putting these things into play, whether you know it or not. But sooner or later, it behooves you to become conscious of it and to start developing it on purpose and intentionally. So you become conscious of where and how the techniques show up in your practice. When you're breathing, that you're seeing those as vayu patterns, and your gestures, they're kundalini raising events. You're looking to apply mudras in these select moments that come up quite fast when you're moving through your series. But you can get it so that the language of prana and your doings are synonymous, and then you've got a whole different practice.